Let's make some really cool and artsy DIY products with the Spin Blast Fashion Studio from Far Out Toys. So the Spin Blast Fashion Studio includes 6 stamps. So you get this circle one, you get this love one, you get this heart, this peace sign, a star, and a tinier heart. It also includes 4 paints. It has white, blue, red, and yellow, so we can make any color design that we want. And here's some stickers with numbers and letters. I'm sorry it doesn't really show up on camera. I think it might be the lighting, but we have like the letters here and some numbers here, so you can create any designs that you want. This is what we use for a t-shirt if we were gonna make a t-shirt design so the paint doesn't leak through, but we're gonna be making something different and I'm really excited to make. And here's the spinner. And you just pour your paint all over it. And then you could take out the stamp and put it on. And then we also have this blaster, which you can blast really cool designs with. First, let's pick a design. I think I'm gonna go for a love theme. So I'm gonna be using both the love stamper and the heart stampers. While it's spinning, we can deposit some. If you want, you could put paint on the plates before spinning. I decided to put the paint on while I was spinning it, which meant I had to borrow another set of hands. And lastly, let's stamp it. It can get messy, so you might want to wash your hands after each stamping so it doesn't stain. Let's add some texture with the paint blaster. And here we are with a creative but messy masterpiece. I had such a fun time with the Spin Blast Fashion Studio, upcycling one of my old totes. Here are some of the pluses and minuses. Pluses: it's fun, it's easy to use, and has everything that you need to start right away. Minuses: I wish I had more paint. I only had enough to make some patterns. It would also be great to have more stamp plates, and it can get a little messy. And here we are with our upcycle tote bag. I love how you can make your own original designs with the stamps and the stencils, and you can make clothes, you can make tote bags, you can make them on your backpack, you could maybe put them on a cap. You could decorate anything that you have and turn it into something original. Order your own Spin Blast Fashion Studio at Amazon.com today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on all the fun. See you on the next episode.